Begin our birthday list with a big number 4. It is Reagan Robinson. Reagan, we wish you a big happy birthday wish, kiddo. What a gorgeous picture right there. Look at all those wonderful flowers. Reagan is in Neodesha. Stetson model. Whoa! Stetson, get out of here, man. My goodness, kiddo. Wonderful catch. Well, Stetson's celebrating his 6th birthday in Thayer, and Stetson, I want you to know that this happy birthday wishes comes from Sparky and Grandma, and my goodness, you keep fishing, kid. That's great. Aaron Coleman, now double digits. Marvelous picture right there, Aaron. Happy birthday to you in Pittsburgh. Maggie Huser is also celebrating her 10th birthday. Now, that cake that you see right there, that cake was decorated by Magdalene for the state fair. Magdalene, that is absolutely wonderful. And a very happy birthday to you in Independence. Cody Eppler, now 15. Happy birthday to Cohen in Columbus. And Stephen Brumbaugh. Hey, what's up, Stephen? Long time no see, man. He's celebrating his 34th right there. That's teaching the younger generation. Happy birthday, my man. Amy Dooley. She is turning 35, and see that little precious one in her arms. Well, that's Kennedy, her daughter, and Kennedy just celebrated her 4th birthday a couple days ago. So Amy and Kennedy, both big happy birthday to you in Columbus. Gina Kendall, she is turning 50. Congratulations, Gina, and a very happy birthday. Pat Jacoberger. Pat, she's celebrating in Columbus. And Pat, that's a wonderful picture right there. Happy birthday. Matthew Rattery. He's got a birthday in Pittsburgh. Everybody run by. Tell Matthew a big happy birthday from us as well. Now, this is a day late, but not a dollar short. Happy birthday to Chad Yates. That dude's always got a smile on his face. Happy birthday, Chad. Mary Jo Little. Oh, Mary Jo, a very happy birthday to you, but I think you've got probably bigger and better things that you're celebrating right now, it looks like. Happy birthday, Mary Jo. And Mike and Sandy Wommeldorf, they are celebrating their 38th anniversary. Congratulations, Mike and Sandy. They're in Parsons. Who that is? That dude right there, Nick Kelly, our own Nick Kelly, our own meteorologist, Nick Kelly. He lets me just kind of hang back here in the Skywatch Weather Center. I go to him if I ever need anything serious. No. Nick, absolutely love working with you. We all love you, man, and a very, very happy birthday. And she's kind of like, I don't know. It's like no offense to Mama Hayslip, but ever since I've been here, Cindy Davis, she's kind of been like a mother figure in the fact that she takes care of me. And Cindy, you don't know how much that has meant to me over the years. I absolutely adore you, and don't think I would have made it this far without you, man. I promise you that. Very happy birthday. Mercedes Morris, she is 32. Happy birthday to M Squared in Parsons. Rhonda Kamek, happy birthday in Hepla. And Randy Beck. Randy's celebrating in Pittsburgh. We'll wrap it up with Steve and Carolyn Turner celebrating their 40th anniversary. Congratulations to the Turners in Joplin. Here's where you send them into KOAM. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also do it online at KOAMNewsNow.com. And while you're on KOAMNewsNow.com, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. Got great special deals from local businesses. And once again, all you got to do, go to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the Birthday Club today, and we'll be right back after this.